Okay, the first step is to take the strawberry, put it into the little Ziploc bag. Make sure to get all of the extra air out of it. And then we're going to pulverize it and squish it. I just have a little plate to help me to make sure I can really pulverize it. Then I need to add the extraction buffer, the soap, salt, and distilled water mixture. Roughly 10 milliliters. And I gotta mix it all together. Close the bag again and mix it up. The next step is to filter it out. So I have a little container. I have a paper towel that I'm going to make single ply instead of 2-ply. Just take it apart. Okay, and then I kind of help it go into the little container there. And then you pour your liquid into it. That way it can filter itself. I am very gently squeezing the paper towel to kind of help it. Very gently. School paper towels work as well for this. Here's my filtered liquid. Just put it back in my bag. Okay, next we are going to drip ice cold ethanol down the side of the smaller container. It just works out better to have it in a little smaller one. So I'm just going to transfer it. Usually we could use a test tube at school, but this little clear container is going to work well for today. Got my ethanol that has been in the freezer. I'm going to use a simple syringe. But the key is to make sure you drip it down the side. So I tend to put the nose of the syringe against it and then slowly depress the plunger. This way the alcohol will puddle on top of that strawberry mixture. It really lets the DNA precipitate out of the mixture. So you can kind of tell it's puddling. Let me put some more to really show you so you can really get a good visual. My container's pretty large, that's why I need some more alcohol. Again, I'm dripping it down the side to prevent it from mixing. You can kind of start to see that separation. So this is the strawberry liquid, and then here's the alcohol sitting on top. Kind of wiggling it helps the DNA precipitate out of it. So that little bubbly stuff right there, that is the DNA that's precipitating out of the material. One last one just to make sure we have a nice amount to view it in. There we go. That is the DNA that has precipitated out of the mixture. If I take my little skewer that I have here, just a little pokey thing, I should be able to grab that DNA. I kind of swirl it so that it connects and collects on the skewer, but that is the DNA. That's it.